Hey, do you want to build a professional website without coding? In this video, I will show you how to build a website with Manus AI, a powerful AI tool that helps you create stunning, functional website fast and easy, even if you are a beginner. Now, how to build a website with Manus? Before building a website with Manus AI, this is a question you will have in mind. What kind of website are you looking to build? Like a simple portfolio, a business landing page, a blog, an e-commerce website, or a website with users account and database. Now question 2, what is the main purpose or goal of building a website? Like to showcase your work, sell your product,
Provide information.
or offer a specific service. And here watch closely to know how to do it.
Now under this get started, slide you reach build your first website. Now here you can see build your first website. You can access it through by clicking build your first website, or you can just click on this plus icon on the down section here. Now here slide you reach build website. Now click on build website here. Now here describe how you want to build the website here. Now you can see I've described it. Now send it by clicking this up arrow icon here. Make sure you describe it perfectly. Send it now. Now wait for the Manus AI to build it. As you can see, it is building it. Now here it will ask you to add more feature. Now here you can add more feature. As you can see, this is skipping. Now here you can add more feature to the website, or you can just click on next and continue. And now make sure you answer these questions perfectly. Now click on next. Now here click on this feature, select these features if you want. Select them. Here I will select all. Now here I will click on build now. Here it will ask you to select the agent you want to use. You can select the agent by clicking on this top icon here where they say Manus 1.6 Lite. By clicking on the icon and then select the agent, select the perfect agent, or just continue with Lite. Here I'll click on Lite 1.6 Lite, and then here you can see build. Now here you can use the build version, the max version, which is the pro version, or here I will click on try the Lite anywhere. This is all about best results, getting the best results. It takes 60 seconds in order to build the website. Here you can see the website, you can see it. Now here you can visit it by clicking on this visit here, this visit icon. And here you can see how the website look. Also you can go back to manage it by clicking the back navigation. Now here you can manage it by clicking the dashboard. And here is where you arrange and fix it, like set it up. Now here you can see here, you can see everything. Now here you can see dashboard. By clicking on this dashboard here on top section here you find the dashboard, you can find the database, you can find the settings. Here I'll click on the settings. Now here on the settings is where you can find both the domain name, fix some things in it, and also customize the domain name, change something, add the advanced feature, also publish it here to save the edict.
So try it and tell me how it worked on the comment section. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now check the playlist on the screen in order to know everything about Manus AI on tutorial. See you on the next video. Peace.